Hi everyone, welcome to Techie's Hobbies. So today we are going to unbox two watches, and both watches are very special because they are not commonly available and they are vintage watches. Vintage watches are not very popular in India, but especially abroad and other places, vintage watches are very much in demand. But it's slowly coming up, and some watches which are not available and are not common but are popular among people are very much in demand, and people are ready to pay a premium for them. So let's not waste time and have a look at these watches. So first I'll be unboxing this one. So this watch I have purchased from a place called Vintage Watch Company. So this particular watch belongs to an Indian brand, and it's very popular among the public. It was very popular among the public, but unfortunately the company had to shut down. So I think you must know by now what I'm talking about, which company I'm talking about. It's HMT. So HMT was very popular, and it has a big history in the Indian watchmaking, and they have a lot of different watches, and most of them are mechanical watches or hand winding watches, and some of them are automatic and a few quartz. So the most popular among them are these mechanical watches, and among them the most popular watch I would say in HMT is the HMT Janata. Okay, so I have here the HMT Janata Art Deco. So as you can see, this is in it's new condition. It's like a brand new watch. I think this is not used. It's called NOS, New Old Stock. Okay, so you can see that this is a brand new watch. I am very impressed with what I have received from Sanjeev, because this is in brand new condition. I don't know if you can see it. So this particular watch is called the HMT Janata Art Deco. I really like these lines on the watch dial. It's like a notebook, if you can see, and even the what's written on it is also very much not commonly seen font in watches. And this is what I like it about it the most. So if you notice, it has another peculiar logo here, which is BHEL logo, which is Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. And so this particular Janata model was made for, I'm guessing, for BHEL company employees, and that's what makes it special. And also the HMT Art Deco design is usually, it's very tough to get the original dial. So most of them are aftermarket or Franken, it's called Franken dials, which do not match the quality of this Janata. Okay, so I'll just put it on my wrist and see how it looks. So first thing to note here is this watch is not liked by the younger generation, especially because of the small dial. Okay, this is most probably this is definitely less than 40 must be around 37 or 36 I have to check this. But see, if you can notice, this is quite small on my wrist, but I have a solution for that. I have already considered a black punt strap for this. Punt leather strap will make it look a little more bigger, and it will fit my wrist in a much better way. But overall, the leather strap which is given in the watch is also of good quality. It's written here, it's 18 genuine leather. And if you want to know about the watch model number, it is 030881, and it says here stainless steel. Of course HMT, shock proof. This is the back of the case. And another thing which is peculiar about this Janata is that it has got a domed crystal. See, if you see this, you can see that the dome crystal, which makes this watch look even more special. So, a beautiful dial, I would say. But to make it more interesting, I'll definitely be, adding the bund strap to this, and then it will look even more respectful. Thank you, Vintage Watch Company, for this one. Especially, I would like to thank Sanjeev. Now let's unbox the next one. So the next watch is quite special, uh, as it is a Japanese vintage watch. So this watch brand has not shut down like HMT. It exists even now and is still quite famous. The brand name is Orient. So Orient, as you know, is a sub brand of Seiko. And what is this peculiar or special about this watch brand is that it is it makes in-house movements, and this one particularly also is an automatic watch. So this watch is very well packed, and I bought it from another vintage watch collector called his name is Amol Nayak, and he's been really nice and friendly. So you can see the stock bracelet. It is in very good condition, and it is not like over polished like the usual watches that are available. And so let me open it. So inside, as you can see, the stock bracelet is not in the watch. That's because this watch is coming with a special leather strap. So I want to see that, and then I'll comment more about it. Okay, so as you can see, I have unboxed the watch, and this watch is also in brand new condition. I'm actually surprised how these guys are able to maintain this watch so beautifully, and it looks brand new. In fact, this watch has been with the person who I bought it from for over 25 years, and the way he has maintained this watch is seriously impressive, to say the least. And yeah, definitely it is something to you know definitely something to learn from these watch collectors, that how they are able to maintain their watch so well. So I'll just wear it and see how it looks on my wrist. So this particular vintage watch is, what is different about it is it's quite big in terms of diameter compared to the other one. I think it has got 42 mm. So this is how it looks, and I'm really impressed at the way it is looking. I'm not a fan of, I'm usually not a fan of gold on the dial, but this particular watch is an exception, and it really, complements the watch. So I will take it off my wrist and show you a close-up shot of how it looks. And the leather strap is seriously really comfortable, and I'm going to use this. So can you see how beautiful this dial looks? And talking about the strap again, it is made in Sweden. Monstro leather, 24 leather strap, but it's been cut to fit this. So basically, it is done so because it has to match this lug. That's the reason why it's been done like this, and I really like it. I don't need to even do any modifications in this watch. It's perfect. And also you can see that the watch hands have been changed. compared to the other Orient, and this particular watch hand looks really beautiful, and I'm seriously happy with what I have received in both cases. Now talking about this Orient, it's got 21 jewels and it has this unique functionality called the calendar. So this particular watch is called the Orient Calendar, and you can see the whole calendar in the watch, and even the month, the day, the date, all this is appearing in the watch. And looking at the case back, it's again seriously in really good condition. I cannot believe that this is a used watch. It says water resistant, all stainless steel, Orient, and it has a model number which is LHL469672A7A. So that's all, guys, about this watch. I hope you guys like my video. If so, please share my video, subscribe to my channel, like my video, and please share your feedback in comments. Thank you.